Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change ISO on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, as you guys can see, we are in the Camera Hub application. The app is especially designed for the ELGATO cameras. So now make sure to go to device and make sure that the input is correct, which is the ELGATO Facecam Pro. Now scroll a little bit down. Here you need to turn off the automatic exposure if you want to change the ISO. Here you can also change the shutter speed, as you guys can see. But we're focusing on ISO, and as you guys can see, now I'm changing it to, let's say, 900, and it looks just like this. So this is how you can easily do that. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next videos. Bye.